All right, we got a BG55 blower here, a Stihl, and no power, no Eagle powers. And first thing I did was take out the spark arrestor, and it was completely clogged. Okay. Then I put in fresh fuel, checked the fuel filter, and tried to adjust the carb. It was running way rich. So way too much fuel, not enough air, still. And while it did run and didn't die, I was like, you know what? It's got to be super clogged. I just pulled the muffler. Look at that. Let me see if I can get in. Look at that. It's literally caked with carbon on the inside. So I'm going to have to pull the gasket off here and then just scrape all that crap out. Pretty sure it's going to rev up pretty nice here without the muffler. But yeah, it might be worth it just to buy a new muffler at this point.